What happens when birds migrate? I am a small migrating bird. Every year, I fly south with my friends. The journey is long and hard. We travel thousands of kilometers. I feel tired and hungry. Sometimes we rest on trees, drinking water and eating insects. I wonder if we will find enough food on the way. We face storms and strong winds too. But I keep moving, mixed with fear and excitement. I know our home is waiting for us by the warm coast. The sky is beautiful and gives me hope. I want to see the flowers bloom and hear the waves again. Our journey is tough, but freedom is worth it.